Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shampa Saha, and today I am presenting our research on public sentiment analysis of traffic management policy in Knoxville. In this study, we explored how social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit can serve as real-time monitoring tools for urban transportation planning, especially within the context of Knoxville growing infrastructure challenge. Next, effective traffic management requires public acceptance. However, traditional methods like town halls open field to research a representative demographic, capturing either the apathetic majority or highly organized interset groups. Our research leverages the concept of citizen as seniors. By analyzing social media data, we can access vast real-time dataset where citizens voluntarily express their opinions. Knoxville serves as an ideal case study due to its significant growth and major annual project like the I-40 Smart Fix construction. My next slide. Our study was guided by three primary objects. Firstly, to establish a baseline quantification of how the public feels about traffic management in Knoxville. Secondly, to dig deeper than just positive or negative and identify exactly which opinion, tweet, parking, or bike lane are driving those sentiments. Now, thirdly, to map this sentiment across time and space to understand where and when frustration peak. Next, sorry. We implement a multi-stage pipeline for this study. For data collection, we gathered nearly 8,000 relevant posts from Twitter and Reddit over a 2-year period, filtering from keywords like Knoxville traffic, I-40, and cat bus. On the other hand, after rigorous cleaning to remove bots and irrelevant content, we proceed the text using standard NLP technique. Then, finally, we apply Bhade for sentiment scoring and LD to extract underlying themes. Our analysis revealed a predominantly negative sentiment with a mean compound score of -0.21. As we can see, negative posts outnumber positive ones nearly 2 to 1. Now, however, the platform comparison was striking. Twitter served as a vent for immediate frustration, such as stuck in traffic type post. Then Reddit conversely hosted more balanced problem solving discussion. This confirms our hypothesis that different platforms serve different functions in the public discourse. My next slide is using LDA topic modeling. We isolated 6 main themes. Unsurprisingly, construction delay and accident drop the highest negativity. People are most vocal when their daily routine is disrupted. Then, interestingly, general traffic discussion were actually positive, often involving sharing tips or updates. Bike lane showed negative average sentiment but are highly polarized, representing a conflict between driver losing road and space and cyclists gaining safety. Now, my slide, let's look closer at the pain point. The I-40 Smart Fix project was a highlighting road or criticism. The sentiment here was driven by the immediacy of the delay. Similarly, parking generated significant frustration, especially regarding cost and unavailability in the downtown area. These are actionable insights for the city regarding how the community, availability, and pricing. In contrast to the heavy infrastructure topics, active transportation showed slight difference. Bike lanes are controversial, highlighting the difficulty of implementing complete state in autocentric cities. Then, however, the Smart Tips program was a clean win. It was the most positive topic we found. Users shared how it saved them money and stress. This suggests that positive reinforcement and incentive programs are well received by the public. Now, my next slide is our geo-separately analysis of the 15% of tweets that were geolocated confirmed that sentiment follows congestion. Rush hours are predictably negative. Separately, we saw that highway and commercial zone are hotspot for complaint, while residential area generate more natural or positive sentiment. Based on this finding, we propose four key policy shifts. Firstly, communication must be proactive. Don't just let people complain. Push update to them. Secondly, address the parking perception gap by better advising existing capacity. Then thirdly, for bike lane, use pilot program to the public into change. Finally, double down on what works. Smart tips is popular. Use that positive social proof in marketing to encourage more adoption. Then my final slide. In conclusion, this research shows that listening to the digital citizenry offers a powerful complement to traditional planning tools. For Knoxville, the data provide a clear roadmap, mitigated construction agent, solve the parking narrative, and amplify the success of alternative transit programs. Thank you all.